Empower Women, Empower the World. Book title Mahila Jagriti Abhiyan, Women Awareness Campaign. Women always held an important position in Indian society. However, the situation started changing during medieval times when women were kept behind veils. Slowly, the mistreatment of women and atrocities against them increased. Are you interested in finding out how to be part of the movement to empower women? Uma Mahesh, Lakshmi Narayan, Sita Ram, Radhe Shyam, wherever we see, the name of Mother Goddess is coming before God. Women are living representative of our deities. God has filled her with love, devotion, sacrifice, patience, kindness, and like. Since birth, she is the one who nurtures a child through her body and soul. Man is fortunate to have her company in various forms as wife, sister, daughter, etc. She is the cause of his progress and development. Seeds have advised us to worship women, to respect her, to love her. Navratri sadhana is programmed towards this end so that we worship women. Whenever in past she was given ample respect, opportunity and care, one can see peace, harmony amidst development and progress. Situation today is not that great and women are suffering. Rape, physical and mental torture, inequality, disrespect, insults are widespread in rural and urban areas alike. Time has come when these grave situations need to be reversed and women empowerment becomes the top priority. Our book today is a real gem and it gives us an overview of current situation and offers us great solutions so that women achieve their lost glory and pride. Excerpts from the book. Main reason for women's suffering is lack of sympathy, bad moral conduct, and bias, that is, male ego. If careful evaluation is done of the situation and analysis is made of pros and cons, then undoubtedly cooperation will prove beneficial over disagreement. It's better to uplift someone as in return you get blessings and their loyalty. It's better to take advantage of the current situation, otherwise, there will be great loss to the society. Principles of equality and unity is the need of our suffering society. Now, no obstacle can come in between the progress of women. On one hand, Sanghamitra and Amprali of India gave up worldly pleasures and went around the world spreading Buddhism and established lots of hermits. And on the other side, majority of women of India are in bad shape. In rural area, they are uneducated, their social status is disturbing, and this all is about to change and new dimensions of developments are in process. Topics covered in the book are most revered and holy form of women, horrible and unfortunate days of women. Time is changing rapidly. New era, women's era. India was first and will remain first. These chains need to be broken. Act as per the time mindfulness of married life. Rules and regulations. Remove foul thinking, adopt creativity. Two big steps education and self dependency. Devaluation of females needs to be reversed. Importance of unity and equality, control of birth rate.